Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have VIVO Y28 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. We go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, tap on our photo on the right corner and there choose settings option and hit family and their parental controls. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to your parental controls, and now we can change it from page 3 to maybe page 16, confirm by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental controls. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!